Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John from Big Johns Bully House. Give you an update of Two-Face times Vanilla Gorilla. Puppies are 3 weeks of age. Right here, got a little male. Big white male. Big white male. Big female. She's staying here. We got this female as well. And then the female here with the crazy face markings. As you can see, they're very, very active already for 3 weeks of age. Very alert. Just now figuring out they can growl and bark as well. Want to give a huge shout out to Dayton from Killinois Kennels on this great collaboration here. Everybody was hungry, so go ahead and let them eat and finish this little updated video up for you guys. And hopefully this will give you guys a better idea of the size of them already. But again, female, she will be staying here. This female would be available. This female here on top trying to find a nipple will be available. This boy right here will be available. Big boy in the back is already spoken for. Want to give a huge shout out, man. I noticed the subscribers are climbing up there very quickly. I noticed that the last 2 videos that I uploaded have a tremendous amount of views. I want to give a huge shout out to all you guys for that. Give a huge shout out to all the subscribers, new and old. I appreciate all the likes, comments, followers, shares. Appreciate all the love. Again, you know, I'm very, very, very pleased with this outcross, with this collaboration. All of the puppies have great heads, nice bone, as you can see already. For 3 weeks of age, I mean, even this little female here, she's got a crazy, crazy top skull. Not disappointed by any means. Very, very, very pleased. I know there's a lot of football on today, man. We've been watching it as well. So I apologize. You know, we didn't do an update a little sooner, but nonetheless, here we are, and this is how we're doing. Here, hold on, baby. It's all right. I mean, all the pups, man, have crazy top skull. It's unreal. For 3 weeks of age already, you can just see so much potential. The puppies will be getting their first rounds of shots and dewormings at 4 weeks of age. For everybody wanting to know a price, puppies will start at $2,500. Shipping is extra. If you would like to come pick your puppy up in person, that is fine. I'd rather you do that. Puppies will come up to date on shots, dewormings, ABKC papers in hand. If you do not know who Two-Face is, be sure to go back to my older videos. You will see who she is. As well as you do not know who Vanilla Gorilla is. Dayton has some very good video of that male. And I promise you, for both dogs, what you see in the video, I promise you in person, it's 100% better. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 815-632-9073. Again, huge shout out to you guys. Man, I appreciate all the love. I got a lot of love and respect for all the, subscribers and supporters and everybody that's been keeping it positive. I know we got a few stragglers, man, that like to troll a little bit, and that's all right, man. We ain't gonna pay them no mind. We just go ahead and keep moving forward and keep doing us. For all those supporters, man, that I do have that show nothing but love and respect, man, I have a lot of love for you guys. As always, take care. God bless. Stay safe. Enjoy your Sunday. Go ahead and get back to doing the family thing, man, for the rest of the day. Enjoy the football. And then tomorrow we go ahead and we start practicing again for my kids and everything, man. So man, just enjoy life. Every day is a blessing, so take it as that. Again, God bless y'all. I hope you have a great day. Take care and stay safe.